Hey guys, what's up? It's Nelia. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back for another video. Today's video, we're talking wigs, okay? Protective style season. And this is my favorite wig, okay? This is one that I've bought like 3 times now and she never fails me, ever. I'm gonna talk about her pros and cons and everything. And I'm also gonna tell you guys a little secret on how I get my wigs to fit and be big head friendly. Tons of great YouTubers who I'm gonna leave down below who also have really great techniques that they use. I know one is Rayanne410. She does a really good reconstruction of wigs on like real human hair wigs, and there's other YouTubers as well. I'm gonna leave them all down below to just give you guys some references, because as a big-headed YouTuber, you know, it's hard to find wigs that will fit nicely and not give your girl a headache, okay? I'll leave them all down below in case you're struggling like I am. And of course, you got me right now, this tutorial where I'm gonna show you a really quick, simple way to get your wig to fit. It's not picture perfect, but it does the job, as you can see, okay? No headache, no issues, okay? We're doing great over here, okay? Of course, I wanna show you how I reconstruct my cap, and I'm gonna do a review on this unit and why I love her so much, pros and cons and all of that. So let's get into the reconstruction. So what I always do is cut out the straps, the wig straps that come with it, because they're not useful. The wig is too small. I don't need any adjustable straps. But now we're going to actually do 2 snips. Now right where the ear sits is like a dip between the front of the wig and the back. And you want to just cut right in between that area. I'm showing you right here. Now, as you can see, this is probably a 1-inch cut into the net. If you feel like you need to do more, just try it on, see how you feel, and then you can always cut more into it. But you'll see in the next few clips, this is what works for me, and I'll show you guys how it looks on. So the 2 snips that I do are right behind the ear, right into the elastic band and everything that I showed you. So they're not visible, like here it is actually on my body, on my head. It's not very visible. You can't really see it. If I do want more security, I just bobby pin it down on the sides. And okay, so under my wigs, I like to just have braids, and they're only like about 6 or 7 braids. I choose braids because they lay flatter for me and they do last longer than twists do. I would prefer twists because they're more gentle on my hair, but braids, just the way my hair is, you know, thin, fine hair, it just lays flatter for me. You can also, of course, cornrow, but this is for those people like me who can't cornrow, and we're still working on that. Now let's get into the actual wig herself. This is Valentino. She is not new to the YouTuber community, but she is a classic for me. This is a staple. She stays in my closet. When it all fails and like I try a new style and it all fails and I don't know what to wear, and I grab Valentino. This is the first time I brought her in this color. This is PB27. I usually buy her in the color number 2. She also has a 5-inch lace parting, and she's curling iron safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And yeah, 5-inch lace parting. I mean, you know, that's really far back here. So you guys know I'm not like an expert on the whole wig and lay and slayage, but I do like to keep my baby hairs out. As you can tell from the reconstruction that we did, the wig will lay a little behind the hairline, which I actually prefer. And this is, again, a quick way to just get the wig on so it can stay on. But I actually like having my baby hairs out. I feel like it just helps it blend more seamlessly. Just me, I don't know. This is the first time I brought PB27, and I do have some pros and cons I want to share with you all before you consider buying this unit. So let's start with the cons. Like I said, I have only bought this unit usually in a color number 2, and I will say right off the bat that the color number 2 does not tangle as much as this PB27 does. And obviously that's just with this blonde ends. Like this thing, I'm not gonna lie to you, this color has been tangling a lot. I actually did wear this out last night for some dinner and drinks with friends, and I did actually wear it to church today just to like give you guys a full review of how I felt. But I did find myself, you know, detangling it throughout the night, you know, once or twice. The blonde tips, like, y'all, I love this look. Like, I've never gotten a 1 color before, so I was kind of nervous it was too dark for me, but actually it's perfect. And these blonde ends, Like, I love a little blonde. I used to have a blonde patch in the front of my head when I first became natural, and it finally grew out. Don't ever do that. But I always loved a little blonde on my body. If you get this color, just bring a brush around. That's all I gotta say. Now, here are the pros of this unit, which totally outweigh the cons. One, it is very affordable, okay? You can find it on Amazon, which is where I get it, and I've seen it the most affordable on Amazon, or mostly just online in general. I would not walk into the beauty supply store and buy this unit for $50. Yes, I've seen it sold for that price. Don't do that. On Amazon, you can get it for $25, and it is a Prime item, so you can get it in like 2 days and be ready for the weekend, so it's pretty cool. This unit is super customizable. As you guys know, I'm one of those throw it on and go types, but if you want to, it does have like these little baby hairs to play with, I guess. I don't mess with those. We just stick those in there. But it does have baby hairs, and the parting's really easy to play with. The curls are phenomenal, and you can curl it up even more if you want to. I never find the need to do that, but hey, if you want to, do it. I did have number 4 down as it doesn't shed, but like I was telling you guys, the PB27, this color shed. This, when you brush it, it sheds. By itself, it doesn't. Brushing it, I definitely get some hairs in my brush. Number 2, I had no problems with that color, so probably number 1 and all those solid colors, like 4. Those are probably pretty good, but I'm noticing just like with this blonde and everything, it is coming out pretty frequently. And number 5 is most important of all. This is beginner friendly. You guys are not gonna have any major issues with these. If you're big headed like me, you can just snip like I showed you earlier in the video. Or if you don't have to worry about big head problems, you can just slap it on and keep it moving. Like, it's really, even the parting, I didn't have to tweeze it too much because, I don't know, like it just seems natural to me. If you wanna do like an extra step, you can take a curling iron and just kind of, let me demonstrate. Put your curling iron in and just kind of go over this part just to flatten it more to your head. I didn't feel the need to do that, nor do we have that energy, but that's also another option if you want it to look more realistic or whatever. All right, guys, I think that's it for this video. I just wanted to come to you, show you guys how I make my wigs more big head friendly. I hope this was helpful. If you guys have any more questions, please leave them down below. I'll definitely answer them. If you need more visuals or something like that, or want to see another example, I can do that too, because I'm always snap at my wigs. Like, they can just never fit on my head. Like, they always need some extra help. Please leave me a like if you found it helpful, and comment below if you've ever had to like really like super customize a wig to fit your head, because basically you're big head friendly team. So let me know down below if you're here, okay? Subscribe, join the family. We have a ball over here, and I'll definitely have more big head friendly wigs to review for you guys. All right, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye.